The A340 family is equipped with standby instruments, which include a standby airspeed indicator, ASI, a standby altimeter, a standby horizon. Moreover, a standby compass is fitted on top of the windshield center post. A deviation card is fitted near the compass. We will now have a closer look at the other instruments. The standby airspeed indicator is fitted with an airspeed pointer and airspeed bugs. The only pilot input to the standby airspeed indicator is the manual setting of the speed bugs. The standby altimeter is fitted with an altitude pointer, an altitude counter, a baroset counter which displays pressure setting in inches of mercury or in hectopascal depending on the option chosen, a baroset knob. The standby horizon is erected by pulling the caging knob. The standby horizon is the only standby instrument requiring an electrical supply. In the event of a total electrical failure, it continues working for approximately 5 minutes. In the event of instrument or power supply failure, a failure flag appears.